Lights, camera, action. Okay, looks like we about ready to do another episode here, and we're gonna have to take this here down. This is one we done here last week, so me and Carl are gonna set this baby down. It's kind of a heavy door.
Oh! Them cars weighed a ton back then.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, you want to set this other one up, right?
Yeah. Okay, today I'm going to do one on a wash machine front. And this is something, like a lot of times people, they want you to do a sign or something. So this is what I'm going to do today. It's sort of like just a sign for advertisement. Okay, Carl, this is something that we kind of dreamed up that you kind of...
Yeah, I used to put this car show on, or me and a bunch of guys used to put it on back in the 70s and 80s. Of course, I don't do it no more, somebody else does it. But it's in Fairmont, Indiana, and it's a James Dean.
Yeah. Yeah, okay. Now, this is baked on white paint, and it may not paint as smooth or let the paint stick as I would like it to. But anyway, I'm going to do my best for you. But, this is going to be kind of like a fast sign. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see here. I'm going to go just a little bit bolder on them letters.
A little bigger.
Yeah, I'm making bolder. I believe I will. Making this a little bit bolder, thicker. Well, I believe the weather's going to start changing now. Supposed to be cooler. Supposed to be in the 40s tomorrow night.
I don't like that.
You remember 3 weeks ago it was about 90s in here. It's hot.
It won't be long we'll be wearing big old overcoats out here.
Yeah, I know. So you can see your breath.
Yeah. It's getting that time of year, ain't it, Rick?
Yeah. You're getting ready for winter.
Won't be long till the leaves will be changing colors.
Yep. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, somebody's in trouble.
Hopefully they're all right.
Yep. Yep.
When we first started that James Dean show, Ricky, it was uptown, Fairmont.
Yep.
I think we had 25 cars.
Oh, man.
Now it's grown so big they can't hardly get them all in there.
Huh. Well.
They go to the park now, of course.
Yeah. Yeah. that's all right.
It was a big show there for a long time, it still is.
Yeah, well,
I don't have anything to do with it, 'cause I live down here now.
yeah. Yeah, that'd be a long drive, wouldn't it? Go
Yeah,
back and forth.
pretty long drive. I used to go back every year though, just
Yeah,
to
well,
figure everything out.
yeah. Yep.
They also have another rod run the same weekend in Gas City, Indiana,
Yeah,
called Ducktail.
yeah. Huh.
So they go back and forth with both of them shows.
Hmm. Yeah, still quite a few old cars around here. Take a
Oh,
look at.
they're all over the place. A lot of old cars.
Yeah. Yeah.
The maroon shows up doing that white, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, maroon's pretty nice paint. Yes, sir. Sure is. There we go.
The car club I was in, Ricky,
Yeah.
we used to put that show on called the Magic City Street Rod out of Muncie.
Well. This paint pretty good.
Looking good.
For real fast job. a fast job. Squeaky clean, looks like.
Yeah. Squeaky.
Yeah.
What a siren's going to sleep in that.
Yeah. You're getting sharp again. Sharp, sharp, sharp. Mm-hmm. All right. We'll go with blue here.
You'll be alright, will you?
Yeah, we try a little blue here. Blue.
Blue by you.
Yeah. Now, buddy can use a tape and get these just as sharp, real sharp. But I'm just doing this kind of fast for you. Naturally, if you got 4 or 5 hours longer to work on something, it'll look a little bit nicer.
Yeah, it's true, but it still looks pretty good.
Car show. A lot of cars. Now these letters here is a little different, but I guess it'll work. A little different. Folks, it might be a little late in the season for me to give you this announcement, but we're supposed to be at the R.M. Brooks store in Rugby this Saturday, Saturday the 16th. Carl Rich, Ricky Wright, and my son Danny be at Rugby. Maybe we'll try to be there about 11 o'clock.
Get a big bologna sandwich.
Yeah, get a bologna sandwich. Yeah. Meet and greet. So it may be a little late, but...
You like bologna sandwich? They got other stuff there too, but they got good bologna sandwich. I like their cheeseburgers too, they're pretty good.
As far as it's beef bologna, I like it pretty good.
Yeah, I like beef bologna, that's what I get when I buy it.
The more generic chicken and
Yeah,
pork and whatever.
Yeah. yeah, I know. I try to get beef
Yeah.
if I can. 'Cause I get it in just pork, but you can't, everything's got chicken in it.
Yeah, this blue is kind of going on a little thin, you might say, but
It looks pretty good though.
yeah. See, if I can always put double coat it, you know, what have you. I'm just trying to get doing it kind of fast. I'm still using my old number 10 lettering brush on these letters. The paint's pretty good. See, that way, if we do some signs that looks like it's needs a second coat, and that shows the, you know, the audience that's just starting painting. Sometimes you got double coat, you know, your letters.
Yeah, it all depends on the paint, don't it?
Yeah. And sometimes you need to shake it up or stir it up better too, and that helps also. But
You got a paint checker, do you?
they paint what? Yeah, that's what I need, a paint checker.
Yeah.
And also, when you do your W's or M's, try to get your points about the same height, back and forth. You know, that looks a lot better too. All right. All righty, we look like we can do a little bit of gray shadowing here today.
That'll set it off on it.
Yeah. Yes, sir. And that's what it's all
That
about.
shadow, that's amazing what that shadow will do. It'll make it pop on it.
Yeah. Yes, sir, it will. Sound like we got a little rain on the roof right now.
A little bit.
Yeah, we got a tin roof, folks, and it get a little noisy when it starts storming or raining hard.
I like the way, the last video you did, I like the way them katydids and locusts and all that was making noise.
Yeah, it's loud, wasn't it?
Yeah, I said, man, that sounds good. You're doing that a little late at night, wasn't you?
Yeah, yeah. Hmm. Yeah, it's about 7:30, I guess, at night.
Yeah.
We got a late start.
I didn't make it, so I didn't know what time you done it for sure.
Yeah, yeah, we got a late start, but we got her done. Yeah, we don't have to, you don't have to be perfect. You know, if it's a little noisy, whatever.
That's better than being too quiet, ain't it?
Oh yeah.
That blue dry already, Ricky?
No, not yet. See that? But I can touch that back up, though. That's a good part about it.
Yeah.
Now, if I wasn't doing this on the video, I would have wait longer and do the shadow when everything dries.
Yeah.
My blue paint I still got left over, and just
Tuck it up.
touch it up and keep it trucking. Yes, sir. I think next week we're gonna paint on like a '68 International truck on both sides for a customer. And we do the whole truck this time. Do the whole truck. You know, just the doors on both sides of it. So y'all welcome to watch next week's episode.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's an all-day job, wasn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, but thank goodness for the
Video.
video. We make
Thank
it look.
goodness for our editor.
Yeah, it look like it's all day, but it'd be like on a 20 or 30 minutes episode. Yeah, folks, we try to do a video every Tuesday, and it gets probably put out Thursday or Friday evening. Try to do one once a week.
It's about the only day you got free, ain't it?
Yeah, but the only day I got free. Yeah, I work in a hardware store. This old man does. Lift 80-pound concrete bags over my head still.
I bet you know your hardware, don't you?
Yeah.
How long you been doing that now?
I've been working in a hardware store for 20 years. Yeah, loading lumber.
That's a big difference from a grocery store to hardware, ain't it?
Yeah, yes, yes it is. It's heavy work. But you know, somebody got to do it. And I ain't no better than nobody else.
You might as well, ain't you?
Why, yeah. It puts food on the table. Ain't that right, Ronnie? Ronnie's a friend of mine. Oh, Lordy, here we go, baby. I know one thing. I'm about done with the shadow. Amen.
Look good, dude.
Yeah.
I made it pop out there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I gotta make everything the same thickness. You know, like the shadow on the here, the shadows need to be the same broad too. Thick. Yeah. Yeah. That's a lot of times. That's why you gotta, get back and look at your work.
Yep.
See, like here, I still like that right there being done. Yeah, that gray gun looks pretty good with it. See, this here is a little hard on account of that. That the blue's not dry real good, so I gotta be real careful with this side.
Is that the reason you skipped over that?
Yeah.
I thought you had a reason.
Yep. So, yeah, boy, I've gotta watch out here. I don't want to make a mess. Yeah, that gray goes good with maroon color.
It does.
Yeah, yeah. Yes, it does. Okay. Clay Acres, huh?
Pretty little park.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. It's right there almost in town.
Yeah.
Real close to town anyway. Ain't a big town, but you can tell it's a town.
Yeah. Well, 8 acres. Yeah, we decided to go with gray. Gray goes good with about near anything, I guess.
Well, it kind of matches the top, your shadow on the top too.
Yeah.
Actually looks pretty good.
Well, thank you. Yeah, I like doing these videos. I just hope we can just keep on putting them out for you. We'll try.
Just hang in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I don't get no million views a week.
Hang in there like a hair in a biscuit.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get hardly a whole lot of views, but I get a little bit. It takes a while, I guess, to get people to know you. Know your videos. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, next is Fairmont, Indiana.
It's up there between Marion and Muncie.
Oh yeah?
Up there close to Gas City.
Yeah. Hmm. You do a little moving, get closer. I guess I can also scoot this down just a little bit. That'll work too. I'm using a number 2 leading brush now. Number 1200 series. I get them at Peachtree City, Georgia, right by Atlanta, Georgia. Atlanta, Georgia. And when I do that, that means I lost a hair out of my brush.
That's why you mustache problem.
Yeah, yep, that too. Yeah, I lose quite a bit of hair on my mustache.
Yeah, when the wind's blowing, it blows it sideways.
Oh yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for watching again, folks. This is a washing machine front that my good friend Carl Rich found for me. I think he got several more, for me to paint on. Later on, we may paint them with white, blue, black backgrounds. What do you think will go real good, Carl?
Any color would go good on these. I mean, it all depends on what your sign is,
Yeah.
but it'd look good in any color.
Yeah.
But a friend of mine donated a bunch of these to me so we could do some painting on them and stuff. Good friend called, his name's Steve.
Yeah, I
He
appreciate it.
donates a bunch to me.
Well, thank you so much, Steve. We'll put them to good use. Guarantee it. Thank you again, folks. Okay, folks, we're going to do just a little bit of viewing here in our paint shop right now. And let's see, this is something we done a couple of weeks ago. Uh-oh, looky here. No problem. Yes, sir. No problem today. And right here is like a 49 Cadillac fastback. A lot of people call it a torpedo car. Yeah, that's a real nice looking trunk lid right there. And that's, I don't know what that is. well, it's some kind of grill, I think.
49 poles look like.
Oh, a 49 Ford? All right. Okay, Carl, let's see here.
I'm pretty smart at it.
Yeah, you are. There all them old hubcaps right here. Yes, sir. All right. Now this is one we're going to take over to Rugby pretty soon. Right here, this door here, to R.M. Brooks. And right here is looks like a Volkswagen door here. A Volkswagen door here. Let's see here. And okay, we got some license plates in here. That don't look too bad. Okay, looks like Brooks Cash Store, just at Pine Haven there in the background. And that's the one I done last week. It turned out pretty good. And right here is a friend of mine, David Chamberlain. I'm going to give that to him one of these days, that toys, vintage toys thing. And there's a license plate. Alrighty. Hello there, Carl. How are you today?
Got me.
Yeah. You about ready to do some filming?
It's good to be back.
Yeah. Are you ready to do some
I'm
filming?
ready, bro. Let's get it on.
Well, that's good. Yeah. That's what it's all about, ain't it?
That's right.
Alrighty. Okay. And that's going to be sent to Georgia pretty soon. That's on the Volkswagen trunk lid, whatever. Lights, camera, action.